Waste is not just a local or a national problem. It is a global problem, and I'm afraid this is one of the defining problems of our generation. Globally, we produce 2 billion tons of waste every single year. And amongst the waste that we send into the landfills and dumping sites, roughly 80% of the items could have been easily recycled and brought back into the economy. In high-income countries, about only 33% of the waste is recycled. But it is even worse for the developing part of the world, where roughly only 4% of the waste is recycled. So, we're sending at least 90% of the materials into the landfills, which could have been easily recycled, brought back into the economy, created jobs, improved the health of the environment, and most importantly, created a sustainable culture that would have lived on for generations to come. So why aren't we recycling? If there are so many materials, why are we still sending them to the landfill or dumping it around streets and rivers? There may be innovative recycling solutions, but the biggest challenge is at the source. There aren't enough waste collectors to match the demand of 2 billion tons of waste that we produce every year. Existing waste collection solution using trucks is simply not working. It is expensive, it is not efficient, it is not environmentally friendly, it is not scalable, and does nothing to promote good waste management practices at source. Khaalisisi purano kagaz bottle falam. This voice, which means I'm here to collect your recyclable waste, has been roaming the streets of Nepal for more than 50 years now. This is the voice of waste entrepreneurs who have been going alley to alley screaming their lungs out collecting recyclable waste, until we introduced a digital platform, Khaalisisi.com, in 2017. At Khaalisisi, we figured in the digital era, our waste entrepreneurs, that is, our Khaalisisi friends, need not scream and waste their entire day looking for recyclable waste, while, on the other hand, waste sellers need not look or wait for a Khaalisisi friend to come to their doorstep, as we can connect them through our digital platform much more efficiently. Once a waste pickup is scheduled by a waste seller, a Khaalisisi friend nearest to the location is notified for pickup. He goes for collection, where he pays the client for their recyclable waste, and Khaalisisi friends make profit when they sell the waste further in the value chain, and Khaalisisi.com gets 15% commission, thus creating a win-win situation for everyone. This is how we plan to mobilize 13,000 Khaalisisi friends in Kathmandu alone. Now, coming back to trucks, which is costly, not scalable, not environmental friendly, versus thousands of already existing Khaalisisi friends network, which can cater to millions of orders per day. This is the solution at source. I remember my first meeting with my first Khaalisisi friend, Ram Sagar. I invited him to my office to discuss the idea of Khaalisisi.com to revolutionize the industry, to which he laughed and asked me, "Where are the sirs?" Meaning, where are the men? As he was used to working with only men in this industry. All the other Khaalisisi friends that I initially worked with shared the same feeling. Nevertheless, today the tables have turned. Today, Khaalisisi friends come looking for us regardless of my gender. Today, together with our growing network of 250 plus Khaalisisi friends, we have been able to collect more than 5 tons of dry recyclable waste every single day from households and 200 plus clients, including schools, offices, hospitals, and banks where our Khaalisisi friends didn't have access for business. But most importantly, it has been extremely rewarding to see our Khaalisisi friends do so well. Economically, their income has increased by an average of 30 to 35%. They have become more confident and understand the value of their work. From previously being called out by discriminatory names to now being referred as sirs with much respect, this has uplifted not just their income but also their dignity, and thus boosted their motivation to work harder and smarter by using technology. We have been extremely fortunate to be recognized by the likes of Forbes, Asia Society, Google Business Group, and other leading national media. This recognition is a big boost to our community of hardworking Khaalisisi friends and my team.
Namaste, my name is Ayushi Kesi and I am the founder CEO at Khaalisisi.com. So waste is one of the biggest problems and challenges that the world is facing right now, that the humanity is facing right now, and the current solution, the current practice is simply not enough. It is simply not working. So we at Khaalisisi are trying to bring out innovation into the system and work with the existing waste entrepreneurs, not replace them but work with them, and also create other waste entrepreneurs along the way with the vision to build Nepal as one of the top 20 recycling nations in the world by 2030. Thank you.